This election season has been crazy, and you've probably heard a lot of talk about the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare. Now, some people love it, some people hate it. Some people want to repeal and replace it. Some people don't really know what it does. So, as an insurance professional who actually works with the Affordable Care Act daily, let me break it down for you. And today we are talking about exactly what the Affordable Care Act does for you. Hi everyone, my name is Peter and welcome to How to Insurance, helping you understand insurance, building confidence for your future. Now, this is not political at all. This is practical and tactical. I just want to explain what the Affordable Care Act does for you and how it affects your health insurance. Now, my dad, as many of you know, I work with my dad. We're an insurance team. He had to give me a little history lesson because he's been working as an insurance broker longer than I have. And back 10 years ago, before the Affordable Care Act happened, when people went to him and applied for health insurance, it could be a little sketchy. Before the Affordable Care Act, people may not actually be eligible just based off their health. And it was tough seeing many health applications be denied because of some pre-existing conditions. And that's really like one of the biggest things that the Affordable Care Act practically does right now. Is right now people still ask me the question like, I don't know if I'll qualify, and I love to be able to tell them, yes, you qualify. It doesn't matter about your health. Pre-existing conditions are thrown out of the equation when it comes to applying for health insurance. And honestly, to me, as someone who really cares about people, it brings me a lot of joy knowing that when I have a client that calls me and they have cancer and they're on chemo treatments right now, I can still get them health insurance when they need it. So that's number one. That's the biggest thing that the Affordable Care Act actually does for you. The second thing is that it makes it financially affordable. Now, there's maybe three different ways that you can actually pay for your health insurance. One is you can just pay full price, the regular price. You just pay for it. That's really expensive. I mean, if you're 20 years old, maybe it only costs $350 a month. But if you're 60 years old, it could cost near $2,000 a month for health care. And if you have a family, it's very expensive. So you could pay for it full price, or you could get a job that has an employer benefits package that pays for some or most of your health care. That's more of the traditional way. What the Affordable Care Act does is it provides the third way to help pay for it, and that is the government gives you advanced tax credits based off your income to make the plan affordable, hence the name Affordable Care Act. And so really, if you have an income anywhere between like $18,000 sometimes up to $100,000, if you're in a lower income bracket or a middle income bracket, most likely you will qualify for tax credits. And how that works is we report your income, then the government decides, hey, you'll get X amount of tax credits every month to help pay for your plan. It reduces your premium and makes it a lot easier to afford it. Well, those are really the two major things that the Affordable Care Act does. Just so you know, just to set the record straight and break it down for you in a practical way, it allows people with pre-existing conditions to get health care, and it makes it a lot more affordable financially. Now, there's a lot more to it, but I just wanted to break it down and make it as basic as that. Well, if this was helpful, please like and share this post and contact me at Apple Insurance Solutions. As an insurance broker, I would love to be able to walk you through the process of how to apply for and enroll in health insurance for you and your family. Well, thank you for watching How to Insurance, and I hope to see you soon.